Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. This time we're doing, of course, the monthly Going Gear EDC Club package, which is something that you can check out for yourself if you want to. They have the premium version, which is what they always send me, and then they have the less expensive version. These have been pretty good. Everything that's been inside has definitely been more valuable than what they charge for the package. Of course, the downside is that you have no idea what you're getting, which is definitely not something that everybody's interested in. I'll remind you, or not something everybody's interested in. I'll remind you guys, the benefit of watching me do this is that you can go and get these things individually off of their website if you want to. I just like to open these up and kind of showcase what's in them. But I'll link the packages down in the description so that you guys can check out the different tiers. And then you can also check out Going Gear for these individual knives. Thanks to Going Gear for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Let's see what we've got. So the non-premium, it's essentially a mystery box, right? The non-premium version goes, I think it's like $60 a month. Are you serious? Did they send me a Kansept and a Benchmade? Oh boy! Wow. Okay, that was unexpected. There's more stuff in here. What else? Sticker, patch. What's this? Okay. Let's find out what we've got right here. Sorry, I was confused by that. The Going Gear EDC Club, the best way to keep your everyday carry up to date. The Benchmade Mini Taggedout. So, yes, Benchmade knives are overpriced. We have established that thoroughly. In fact, the number of people who point that out on a daily basis it has to be in the tens of thousands, right? So that's established, and I agree with you guys. Either way, though, that's legitimately what it goes for. With the box itself costing $200, if you rolled the dice on the box, that's essentially what this is. It's gambling, right? Some people enjoy that, and some people don't. But the fact is, that's what it goes for. And the box costs $200 a month. So you got essentially that and a bunch of other stuff. We know what that is. And then we've got a bunch of other things here. Wait, what is the Spyderco? Oh, it's a bead. Beadly? That's kind of neat. I don't even like lanyards. It's kind of cool. I mean, it's $30. Okay, let's see what the flashlight is. Lumintop Frog. I love flashlights, man, especially cheap flashlights. I don't know about you guys. I can't have enough cheap flashlights in my house. I live in Kansas. The power goes out all the time because of lightning. We get struck by lightning about 10 billion times every 30 seconds. So the power's always going on and off. I use flashlights all the time. So a cheap flashlight in every drawer of every room, right? That's essentially how I exist. So the more the better. We're meeting the Lumintop Frog, the perfect addition to your daily EDC. The super tiny and lightweight keychain flashlight packs a powerful punch with up to 600 lumens. That's actually pretty good for a keychain light. Plus, with 5 modes and IP68 protection, it's versatile and durable for quick daily lighting needs. All right. I'll be the judge. But, I mean, usually these keychain lights are fine. They just don't always want to come out. Yeah, okay. I like this size of light. Looks like an aluminum body. Yeah, super lightweight. Absolutely. Super duper lightweight. Do we need to actually pull something apart to see? There's the tab. Yeah, get out of there, guy. All right. So we'll go ahead and screw this back in and give you guys a little demo there. Okay, it's running low on batteries. But yeah, okay, that's essentially, wow. Okay, that's pretty much what I was hoping for. How do you turn it off? Do we just hold it down? Yeah, that's what we do. And then it comes with I guess that's the charge cap for the battery. And then the little clip. And it's got the USB-C. Good, excellent. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I actually like that a lot. All right, I might be keeping that. I lost my flashlight. It was like a Rovivon that got ripped off of my keys. One day I looked down, it was just a bent ring. I have no idea how that happened, but I lost it. So that might be my replacement there. The Going Gear SWAT Flame Patch for $2.95. I'm not going to read that paragraph. It's a patch. We have the Kansept Dash. The Dash is a modern take on the traditional Japanese kiridashi. I'm guessing why is it supposed to be capitalized right here? I have no idea. I'm not making fun of the word. I just don't know. With a lightweight and versatile design, versatile is definitely a word that when we're, and nothing against the people who type these up. You're limited, right? I mean, you're around EDC gear all day, every day. When you're typing these up, versatile is it's a firearm that is on your hip all the time. There are a million opportunities to use the word versatile. I know because I use that word a lot during reviews for lack of anything better to say. Anyways, it's perfect for everyday tasks. The stonewashed 154 cm blade offers precision and piercing capabilities, usually most blades do, while the comfortable micarta handle ensures a secure grip. With its compact, I feel it'd be awesome to take all of the words, just take all the fluff out and just see what the keywords are left over, We've all heard that before, but Kansept makes good knives. So it looks like this is on the budgety end. I don't know that I've reviewed this one. The Dash. Oh, it's a Dirk Pinkerton design. Well, I'm a big fan of Dirk Pinkerton. Has always made good and interesting knives, Oh, that's a weird one. Okay. What the heck? That's actually kind of cool. Okay, I hate the access to the lock bar, right? Thanks for the free stuff, but I'm going to be honest. I absolutely hate the access to the lock bar. This is also, I guess, a lock-in position for your finger. It's hard to call it an access point because there's no real access. All they had to do was cut this slightly lower. This is about the pinchiest disengagement I've ever felt. Also, deploying this is a huge problem because the disc lays essentially right on top of the micarta that's underneath. So using the disc, Dirk Pinkerton, does not work. That is about the only way that I can use. It's a cool looking knife, but just cut this lower. This whole area, I think, just needs to be cut lower. But yeah, the little kiridashi utility blade it's cool. It's pretty thick at the edge, but it'll work decently well. Sure. Neat, right? Not the best design, and it's kind of a micro knife, which makes it a little bit difficult to manipulate, but fine. And, Kansept does a great job. It's a small knife. Some people are going to have a hard time wrapping their heads around that price tag on something that is small, but size doesn't perfectly dictate cost, right? In this case, though, probably one of their more expensive budgety builds, right? I don't necessarily love the price tag of $72, but okay. And then finally, the Taggedout. We got to break this seal, which is actually, truthfully, a knife that I like more than the Bug Out. This is the mini. Is this the mini one? Yeah. So the mini Taggedout is essentially the same thing. Where's my Bug Out at? It's like a Crooked River Bug Out, right? So is $171 justified for the mini Taggedout? This is CPM 154, which actually is a really, really great steel. It's one of my favorite steels. I don't have a problem with that. You'll see CPM 154 at much higher price points than this. But people are going to categorize this as if it's perfectly consistent with the ladder climb that is expensive knives. There's nothing you can really do about that. People are going to want 20 CV or M390 by default because shiny, right, or whatever. I don't really have a problem with the blade steel. What I have a problem with is the incredibly cheap, hollowed out scales. Just the overall build quality, despite the fact that it is not build quality. Actually, Benchmade does a good job with their quality, and truthfully, it's a little sticky right at the top, but this is pretty smooth. Their execution here, I think, is pretty good. It's the material in the handle that I don't love, and I understand the point here is lightweight, compact, balancing with durability. Fine if you're charging substantially less for it. $171. There's nothing that Going Gear can do about that price tag, because that's what they sell for. But for me, this is a super hard sell, right? Actually, my favorite knife of all time comes from the Hunt series, and that's the Crooked River. I'm sorry, not my favorite knife of all time. My favorite Benchmade of all time is that they still make is the Crooked River. Or the mini Crooked River to be specific, because it's like a perfect EDC size. It's specifically the ones that you can get on the custom shop. The problem with those is just like this. It's got way better materials, but you're going to pay substantially more money, right? Double or more in some cases, depending on what you build here. So if we're reducing it to the fact that the prices for these things cannot be changed by Going Gear because they're the retailer, what they put in this box certainly is surpassing what they charge for it. The problem is with these two knives in particular, I don't love the price, especially with the Benchmade. But, you know, what are you going to do? That's what's in the package this month. All of this stuff, save for the flashlight, will be given away during a live stream coming up. You guys know that I give away, if you didn't know, I give away the vast majority of the free stuff I get on this channel on live streams every weekend, usually Friday evenings at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, but sometimes there's a little bit of variation in there. But yeah, I give away a lot of stuff. So that's what this will end up being, is just giveaway stuff. But neat, right? Not a bad box. It's just not the most agreeable price tags on the individual stuff. You can shop for this stuff on Going Gear if you want to. They'll be linked down in the description. But that's going to be it for today. Cool flashlight is essentially what I'm getting from this one. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.